Hey, welcome to another episode of HGG Under the Hood. Today we're going to talk about strategic partnerships. At HGG we pay attention to details. When you add them all up, you really make a big difference. We are a true specialist in 3D profiling. Often with up and downstream processes, integration is required. Or a total solution needs to be offered. Well, with our strategic partnerships we can. Although I can't say a lot about our strategic partnerships, my colleague Daan, the dedicated channel manager for HGG, can tell you all about it. He loves this stuff. Hey Daan, would you like to explain a few something about strategic partnerships?
Sure, I love that stuff. Hi, my name is Daan and I'm with HGG for almost 12 years now. And after a career in sales, I got the opportunity to manage our strategic partnerships. So why do we have strategic partnerships? Well, in HGG, we are specialized and we master 3D profiling of pipes, beams and shipbuilding profiles. And we are the only company around the world who is fully devoted to that. Not only do we build machines, we use them ourselves every single day. Now this means that we are truly specialists. But our customers need more than cutting alone. Our customers need drilling, blasting, sewing. Basically a whole range of upstream and downstream processes. Rather than trying to build all of those machines ourselves, we focus on 3D profiling and we team up with other companies who are already the best in their field. By putting together the best of the best, we create a dream team with unmatched experience and unbeatable development force. For us, a total solution is much more than just a collection of individual machines. It's all about adjusting the up and downstream processes as good as possible to one another. This way we create a process synergy. And then it's key to have software interfaces with CAD systems, with MRP systems, with MIS systems, all focusing on Industry 4.0. By integrating both hardware, software as well as technology, we achieve a synergy on multiple levels. This allows our customers in turn to make a leap in productivity and make more than ever before, while drastically reducing the need for skilled labor. Just this year, HGG and PEMA introduced the world's first solution for automated welding and cutting of pressure vessels. By adjusting the 3D cutting very well to the 3D welding process, we were able to create and automate a process that was not possible to automate before. Now, this is a prime example of how the synergy between our two companies has resulted in a solution that was not there before. Unfortunately, today I could only tell you this much about our partnerships, where there's a whole lot more to be told and I love to talk about it. I want to tell you all about the amazing projects we do with Peddinghaus, the fantastic solutions we do with Kaltenbach, the solutions we do with Tekla, or even more about what we do with PEMA. Just let us know in the comment if you want to know more about those partnerships or if you want to see something completely different. I hope you enjoyed this episode and maybe see you again sometime.